guys, welcome back to my channel Glam Heroes. Please do visit my channel if you are new and subscribe to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you makeup tutorial which I usually don't do, and it's been so many days that I'm making a video and it feels very great to come back. I have not made any videos due to my busy schedule, and now I have come back and I want this first video after so much of break to be a special one. So I made this makeup tutorial video. I want this makeup tutorial to be very easy for beginners and also budget friendly, which do not cause any hole on your pocket.
Coming to the video, I'm gonna pull all my hair back and clip them up. And do not forget to wash your face before doing your makeup. I'm gonna use Nivea Soft Moisturizer on my face and also apply it on your neck. I'm gonna use Nivea Fruity Lip Balm on my lips. I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 36 Golden. Apply dots under your eyes and around your mouth. And also in the areas where you have dark spots. I'm gonna use this makeup sponge and dab the product on my face. Dab the sponge so that it helps you apply your makeup very easily. I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Sun Beach. 2 pumps of it is enough for full face. Apply dots on your face with your finger. Apply dots evenly. Use the same makeup sponge to apply your foundation. Apply it evenly on your full face. Just take another small pump of it and apply it on your ears and neck as well, so it doesn't look different from face. Coming to the eyebrows, I'm going to use Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I'm going to brush my eyebrows with a spoolie. If you don't know how to draw perfect eyebrows, then you can just fill in the brows and spread it by using a spoolie. And that's it. I got this mini brush set from Miniso. I'm going to use Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette for contouring, and hold your brush in this manner and use the dark brown shade. Draw a line on both sides of your cheek. Use the same shade on the jaws as well. Contouring gives good dimension to your face, or else you can just skip this part and apply blush on both sides of your cheeks with the same eyeshadow palette, choosing the shade of your choice. I am using the same fluffy brush from the Miniso brush set to blend the contour. You can even use your favorite lipstick to blush your cheeks. I'm gonna use the same shade on my eyelids. Just apply some on your brush and dab the product on your eyelids. I'm gonna apply only one shade on my eyelids and finish off with the liner. I am using iTech Dazzler liquid liner. I'm gonna start off from the middle of my eyes and slowly draw it towards the ends of your eyes. Apply it outwards to form a wing. Then you can broaden the wing. Draw a thin line from the inwards and join it to the middle. That's it for the eye makeup. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. This is my favorite go-to lipstick. I'm gonna add links of all the products in the description box below. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. Share it with your friends if you felt this tutorial easy and helpful.
share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.